Berhormat tanya, biarlah saya jawab. Masalahnya
Kota
yang
Baru ni
berhormat,
tak faham.
Yang berhormat
Menteri
ini,
Kota Baru
tak setuju
faham.
MIC dalam Barisan Nasional. Mereka tak setuju.
Yang berhormat, saya jawab. Nak suruh saya jawab. Kalau macam ini, baik tak saya jawab, terus undi je lah. You want me to reply, I will reply.
So,
you
so
are
don't have to.
accusing,
Yeah.
you are accusing, I have to defend. So I cannot defend. You say we're not democratic. You are behaving in very undemocratic manner.
Yeah. You ask me.
You ask us to defend, we defend.
Up to you.
Takkan we
You
cannot
want to
defend.
reply or not?
Just because you are opposition doesn't mean we as government cannot defend ourselves.
You ask me whether I want you to reply or not.
Yeah,
I say,
then you sit
up to
down
you.
lah, let me
Up to
defend.
you.
How am I going to answer if you keep standing up?
Ni Parlimen Amerika kan ni?
Why you ask
Yeah.
me?
I
Ani,
ask you
ask me.
because you ask me.
Parlimen Amerika kan ni?
It's up to you. You want me to answer, I answer. Okay, I answer. Then when I answer, you sit down. When I sit down, then you stand up. That's how you should do it.